back home at the ballpark. Our goal.
Missed these.
I'm so happy to be back. And in first place. Welcome to the Something or Other tour. We're back, baby.
Let's just watch the game from here.
Yep. Welcome to the Something or Other tour. We're finally back at Oracle Park. Live sports, Giants, Pirates. So excited. And the boy himself is with me.
Once again, I've returned.
Last year we were stuck outside, and now we're gonna be right inside. It's been nearly 2 years since I've been to a baseball game, and about 1.5 years since I've been to a live sports game in general. So I'm so excited to be back. Love that Seal Stadium sign they put up.
This is where we were on ESPN about 1 year ago.
You may remember last year we came and did a game experience out here in Mccovey Cove. That was a 1.5 times, wasn't it, kid?
It was.
So they still have plastic up, but the tarps are down so you can see through the fence again. Still a bunch of ball hawks out here. I think it's kind of cool that there's like a whole culture around Mccovey Cove and people trying to get balls. What up, Willie? So restrictions have loosened up, but we're not out of the woods yet. Case is creeping back up, so I'm gonna wear my mask, even though I'm fully vaccinated, ready for adventure. Vax champ. And so is the boy. That's Dave Gervecki right there. All right, we're almost there. We're almost in, kid. We're in, and we got swag. Can you believe this, kid?
I cannot.
I missed these corridors. Real trophies, no Little League 2020 tournaments, no 60-game seasons there. This guy's doing an awesome mural up there. Can't wait to see it finished. But here it is. My first time seeing the field in almost 2 years. Actually, no, I take that back. I went to Fan Fest right before the pandy hit. Look at that, huh? That's a beautiful sight. Real life baseball, kid.
Real life, right over here, happening now.
Let's see what differences I can spot. I'll go walk around the arcade, see what's up there, see what's in center field. First time we came to a game, me and the boy, I took him on the slides. You loved the slides, didn't you?
I remember enjoying it.
I can't remember if I've seen the big new screen and the new digital clock. Can't remember, but it's up there. So by far the biggest change here is the bullpens are now in center field. They used to be out there on the field. I'm gonna miss sitting right there and hyping up the relievers as they got ready, but it's probably safer for the players that the bullpen's now tucked back here. The only thing that bums me out is where Barry Bonds hit his record-breaking 756 home run. It's been sort of chopped off at the knees. So right where Barry hit the 756 home run, they have this new club, the 415 Club, which is the area code of San Francisco. It's probably pretty nice. And of course the bullpens are right in front. This screen is a monster. It's huge. Look alive, kid. We're in the splash zone without the water. This one's coming in hot, kid. It's gonna take some getting used to. I think I'm skipping the crazy crab today, which is a tough decision, but next time for sure I'm getting a crazy crab sandwich. I'm bummed that the batting cages aren't here anymore. So this is now the garden here in center field. And you can watch the bullpen action. It's got the netting up here so unsuspecting folks enjoying their draft beers don't get clobbered. Original candlestick seats. I've missed these. Right at home. So happy these are here. A lot of legendary moments were witnessed from these seats. I don't know if it's new or not, but this shop with the classic neon sign is awesome. Might be new, I'm not sure. And of course, one of the biggest changes is gonna be across Mccovey Cove. It's gonna be a huge new center with retail and shopping and attractions. And as far as I know, the Willie McCovey statue should be back over there. It's missing right now, unfortunately. But I look forward to seeing it. It should be cool. Which is crazy, because back in the day, there was nothing in this area. It was like Mad Max over here. So the arcade up here pretty much looks the same. We almost died. A lot of excitement at the arcade here. Another one! Right here is where the balls will sail over into Mccovey Cove, which we showed you guys last year when we were stuck outside. This bobblehead's a little hint-a-rooney for an upcoming episode. Ever have seats as good. So called for souvenir cup of garlic fries for our first time back. Another new thing is the netting that extends all the way down, which is unfortunately something that's necessary since people got hit with baseballs and bats. But as you can see, not too much has changed in the ballpark. The dugouts are the biggest thing. As we all predicted, the Giants are the best team in baseball. The NL West is the NL Best, one of the most exciting divisions of all time, and the Giants are at the top. Vamos Gigantes. Yeah, I don't kid around with this Giants stuff, all right? I don't kid around. Best team in baseball. The Doyers got that Little League tournament win last year. In a full season, though, the big boys come to play, all right? You don't know how much I miss Renell's voice, man. Woo! I didn't even realize Gosman was pitching. This is my first time getting to see him pitch. Woo! My woos are back. My woos are back. Woo! We're so close, we darn near might be making plays. I might swing at some outside pitches from here. Here it is. First pitch I've seen in almost 2 years.
Pitch 605.
First pitch single. Oops. Let's go, Buster! Woo! Right? Right. The new scoreboard is intense. He said, hey, something or other too. Here's a souvenir. Dwayne Kuiper up there, back in the booth after some health issues. So excited he's back. Brandon Crawford's out, Brandon Belt's out, Evan Longoria's out, but we're still cruising. My first time seeing a pitcher come out of the new bullpens. As excited as I am to be here and thankful that we're back, I like to keep perspective that our good time is subsidized by all the medical professionals, the doctors, the nurses, the families that dealt with the tragedy. This didn't come out of nowhere, you know. It was a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, hard work, a lot of bad stuff led to us to be able to have this kind of fun. So I don't lose that perspective, and I'm always appreciative. So if it wasn't all the doctors and the nurses, spent all that time in the ICUs and all the hard work and all the scientists and researchers, and plus all the tough decisions that kept us safer, we wouldn't be here. And I know we're not out of the woods yet, but I'm thankful to be here, grateful. And it's because of those people that made those sacrifices and did all the hard work. All we had to do was stay home and wear a mask. It wasn't that difficult. Other generations have been asked to do a lot more. I think these electronic billboards are new. Let's go Giants! Also remember, we're giving away 49ers tickets on our Instagram, so follow our Instagram. I just got season tickets, I'm giving them away, a whole bunch of them this season. So follow our Instagram, answer some trivia questions about some past videos, and snag some Niners tickets, okay? You're a legend, dude. Thank you. You're a legend. I got it. Look how snazzy this kid is for the game, huh? It's bye-bye, baby. It's bye-bye, baby. He's in the making at Candlestick Park. Alright, this is a rough game. We need some of our hurt guys back, you know? A lot of people injured right now. Cool to see Madison Bumgarner back at the park. You guys remember when I got to take BP here and I got to play third base right there? We have to. I need some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I never get back. Root, root, root for the Giants. They don't win, it's a shame. Let's go Giants! I think this is my first time ever seeing a position player pitch live. Mike Talkman is currently pitching. This is legendary. He works quick. He's throwing a blazing 69-mile-an-hour fastball. This is all worth it just so I can say I saw a position player pitch. Finally. Yeah! 73-mile-an-hour heat. Here we go. Biggest comeback you've ever seen. We almost had some fun. Almost. Down to our last out. We're only down by 8. No big deal. We got them right where we want them. This was part of the plan. Well, show's over, folks. I missed my seagull friends. I have weird luck with games. I either go to a game where my team blows them out or gets blown out. It's his first game ever.
First game. We lose 10-2. What up?
It's all right.
He's from Britain.
Yeah?
Man.
That's cool, man. That's awesome. Well,
but it's good to be here, man.
hey, you got to feel the energy, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Ah, it's too bad. It's too bad. But I'm back, at least. And we will be back for more. Promise you. All right. Bye, Seagulls. Till next time. That Giants flag is still at the top of that pole up there. That's all that matters. Back home at the ballpark, you know? Arkle Park. Oh, those Seagulls are going nuts. That one hurt. We'll get them next time. Yeah, we will. That Little League tournament was cute last year. All right, that's it. Oracle Park, we're finally back. Giants baseball. So happy to be back. Felt like a long time. Giants in first place still, even after this terrible night. Still felt great to be back inside the park. Check our Instagram for the giveaways. 49er tickets up for grabs. We'll have many more Giants related things, baseball related things, sports related things, cool related things coming soon. Check out our Patreon for behind the scenes stuff. You can help support us, get us more of these games. All right. Thanks to the boy himself for tagging along.
No problem. I had fun.
Go Giants. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things cool kids do. Vertlife, something or other to it. The boy outgrew all his Giants gear, so we gotta re-up, get some new stuff.
Everywhere.
Oh yeah!
Yeah.
There's been almost no action the whole game, but as soon as I walk away, home run.